Razzist, sessist, xenofobiku. Le, dan mhux xi politiku tal-lemin estrem li bl-idea tiegħu jipprova jdawwar il-massa kontra xi grupp ta' nies jew ieħor. Dawn l-aġġettivi ntużaw minn bosta biex jiddeskrivu lill-Prim Ministru l-ġdid tar-Renju Unit, Boris Johnson. Dan minħabba dikjarazzjonijiet kontroversjali li jħobb jagħmel li jispiċċaw jurtaw lil bosta. Meta jisimgħu ismu l-Maltin jiġihom f'moħħhom mal-ewwel il-kumment ċiniku li kien għadda dwar il-bendy buses meta ftaħar li neħħihom mit-toroq ta' Londra u l-arriva ġabithom f'Malta. Kumment li ma niżel tajjeb xejn mal-eks Ministru Għat u l-gvern ta' dak iż-żmien.
And unlike the hopeless, broken-backed diplodocus of a bendy bus, jackknifed over our yellow box junctions like a beached whale as it was, which was made, where was the bendy bus made? Now clogging up the streets of Malta, I'm delighted to say.
Ruta News tkellem ma' bosta turisti Ingliżi u oħrajn minn pajjiżi Ewropej dwar il-ħatra ta' Johnson bħala Prim Ministru.
What do you think of Boris Johnson's election as Prime Minister?
I think it's good actually. I think he's going to be all right, and I hope we get a Brexit, and I think he's going to deliver, no matter what, obviously.
Oh, I think it's a good decision. I agree totally. I think we made a decision and we've got to stick by it. And if he sticks by it, great. If he doesn't, well, he's not done what the people said. Democratic vote should be sorted.
And do you think he will deliver?
I hope so.
He's better than Theresa May. He's a bit of a unique character, but I think whoever gets it is not going to be welcomed by some. So whoever it is, let him have a chance.
And do you think he will be successful in delivering a good Brexit?
For some, maybe. For others, not. You know, there's no one out there that could deliver the perfect Brexit for everyone. You're always going to have haters. You're always going to have people that love him.
Oħrajn jidhru ċerti li l-ħatra tiegħu bħala Prim Ministru kienet żball li r-Renju Unit se jpatti għalih. Saħansitra kien hemm min qalinna kif jistħu jgħidu li persuna bħal Johnson huwa l-Prim Ministru tagħhom.
What do you think of Boris Johnson's election as Prime Minister?
I say good luck to the British.
No comment.
And do you think he will deliver a successful Brexit?
Oh yes, he will. Not successful, but he will deliver a Brexit, I'm sure.
Terrible decision. I'd be a better Prime Minister.
What do you think of Boris Johnson's election as Prime Minister?
Disappointed. I wish it was Jeremy, personally. I just think his views are much more extreme, and all his what he said about Muslims and the youth and females as a whole is very disappointing. That how he's our Prime Minister is quite upsetting.
Minħabba l-karattru eċċentriku tiegħu ħafna qabluh mal-President Amerikan Donald Trump. Fil-fatt Amerikan li qiegħed fuq tala f'pajjiżna għalilna kif pajjiżu għandhom biżżejjed problemi u għalhekk ma jinħelix fuq il-problemi tar-Renju Unit.
What do you think of Boris Johnson's election as Prime Minister?
We're from the US, so we have our own problems.
Hekk kif għadu fil-bidu tat-terminu tiegħu wieħed jista' biss ibassar kemm l-eks sindku kontroversjali ta' Londra se jagħmel suċċess bħala Prim Ministru. Madankollu x-xemx minn filgħodu turik u ninsabu konvinti li mhux se jħallina neqsin minn mumenti umoristiċi u dikjarazzjonijiet kontroversjali.
I was pleased to see that you've called me a blonde-haired mop in the pages of the well, a mop is what I am.
Idħol fuq one.com.mt u hemmhekk tista' tara l-programmi kollha li jxandru fuq One permezz ta' One Play.